She fits in the driveway. She's right at home with all these wonderful Volkswagens. There's some of our other toys. My Beetle, a special Beetle. That was our wedding car. My son's Rabbit. And then over there's our camper. And there's another Volkswagen out front. So let's see how the oil looks after the last leg of the journey. We gave the engine bay a good wash at my friend's place in Michigan. So we're about 240 miles from there to here. And let's see how it looks. I put a piece of cardboard under it to catch whatever was going to come out because I knew it was going to drip. Yeah, that's about what I expected. So, it's a little bit on this side of the engine. The other side should be clean, I bet. Yeah, this side's nice and sparkly. So, need bungees. We'll have to deal with that. I got 2 weeks of quarantine, and I'm allowed out in my yard to tinker because I don't have any COVID symptoms. So, I guess I got lots of time to play with the bus. So, the wife met her, and I guess it's a her. We're calling it a her. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a him. But we got to come up with a name. Haven't done that yet, and get going on what we need to do. Let's see how the belt survived. Oh, the belt's good. I had to adjust those twice. The new belt stretch. So I was surprised I had to adjust them a second time. There she is. Unfortunately, although my shop would be big enough, the door is at the wrong end. The shop is wider than it is long, so I can't get the bus in. But I have somewhere to put it for the winter. There she is in all her glory. Day 1 of quarantine with the bus. So today was a light day. Got a good night's sleep for a change. Kind of just rested today after all the travels. But I did do some cleaning in the bus. We started cleaned up the floor some more. I've been working on cleaning in the luggage bins, and as you can see, they're looking a whole lot better than they were. So the floor is nice and clean. I haven't done the bins on this side. I got to do those still, and it's smelling a lot better in here. Oh, there's our heater we're going to take out. It's not exactly the heater unit we want. It's not where we want it located, so it's all been disconnected. I disconnected that before I left Minneapolis. Silverside seats are incredibly comfortable. If you ever get a chance to sit in them, they're amazing. They're just truly amazing. Oh, and that's our little logbook. We decided to do a logbook. We're going to log all of our trips, all of our journeys, who we traveled with, where we went, who we saw. That'll be great. And to give you an idea how much cleaning I've been doing in these bins, I haven't done the other side yet, so you can kind of see. This one's not so great. That's the remnants of bird poop. And we had some parts in the bins, and I didn't realize how filthy they were for the drive back, or I would have taken half a day and done this before I left. So fortunately we had lots of fresh air in the front through the driver's vent, so it didn't affect me driving. And I've been all the way around the back here, and it's starting to look good. Here's a little thing for you, Silverside owners. I'm going to show you this. So the parts for PD3751.com are slowly becoming available. What we have here is, wipe some of the plastic off it, a reproduction stop lamp. So hot off the press. These are actually available now. I've got them ready to go. These were the first off the mold for the turn signal arrows, so we're having those done as well. Really good quality. They've got the reflective part on the back, which is nice, and I've only got 2 sets of those for now. I wanted to inspect them before we went and had too many of them made. And that was a prototype for the dog. That wasn't a production piece. I'll probably end up trimming that one up and using it on my bus, because it's okay for my bus, but it's not as nice as I'd want to sell. And this is one of the production ones that haven't been finished yet. So they start off as a clear plastic piece like this, and then we have to put the translucent dog on, and the white. So they're coming along, soon to be available. Those are some original Michigan lights. Those are for this bus. They came with the bus. I have to mount them, but we do have those available as well. So if you need some Michigan markers, we're doing those. Eventually we'll have all of the lights available for the 3751. And so this is the first day of quarantine. Good morning. So today is day 6 of my quarantine. So we got some rain last night, and what I noticed, it's mostly dry now. See this? This is all water that came in through the front windshield. So the front window gaskets are leaking. So they've turned into a priority. And if we walk to the back of the bus, you'll notice, oh, it's starting to dry up, but you can see where the puddle was. All along here, water was running from this window down inside the wall and out. And it was running all down along here. So all these water stains there, it's actually still a little bit wet there, are from the windows leaking. So you can see more water there. So that's probably why this bus smelled so bad when I first got it, was because the windows are leaking. See right there, there's more water. So fixing windows and changing all the gaskets has become a bigger priority than I thought. So we're going to have to take care of that probably before we can start doing any converting. It's a little bit of a disappointment because it's a huge undertaking to take all these windows apart and fix them. I knew it had to be done, so I shouldn't be disappointed, but I thought I could do them over time and do them one by one, starting with the broken panes. But it doesn't appear that I can wait. So, unfortunately, it's got to get done. It is what it is, and that's the next step of our bus is fixing windows. I got to get the gaskets on order. I haven't placed an order yet. I have all the molds, but I got delayed in ordering them because I was busy traveling with Sage, rescuing his bus, and bringing my bus home. So we're going to get on that. The time has come, the walrus said. So today is bus clean-out day. We're going to empty all the bays out. I got to get this ready to get it weighed as soon as my quarantine's over. I got to drive it over the scales to get it registered here in Ontario, and they need a weigh slip. So I'm patiently waiting my 14 days. I'm on day 8 today, so we're getting there. Somebody was wondering about the original airlines I took off. This is one of them. It wasn't leaking when I got in the bus to start it the first time, but I moved it into the shop, and all I did was put a wrench on this to turn it, and it just disintegrated. I bet you we can, yeah, that's how bad these airlines are. That's why you change them on an old bus. These are going right in the bin. I don't know why I took them home. Found this is one of the caps for the original luggage bins. There's one section that was taken out. Oh, there's even a part number on the back here. So this is the original part from 1948. So might need one of those. We're gonna save that. Here's some dead weight for you. The original fire extinguisher. Open up this bin before I got home. This looks like a new old stock rubber gasket for the original cooling flanges. So this one's obviously used, but it came from a salvage parts yard and it has a tag on it. Parts salvage yard with a tag number. Doesn't say anything about it. That's really interesting. It doesn't say the company or anything, but at some point somebody actually bought this, and this is actually in pretty good shape. still wouldn't use it. They obviously knew it was a problem because look at this. Somebody started making up flanges to replace all the rubber couplers with hose. I mean, this one's got a whole bunch of different things put together. I'm gonna have to cut this end piece off because we need the smaller diameter. But those two pieces are what I need to actually get rid of 3 more of these. So I think that's pretty cool. There's a new old stock one. There's a piece of history I don't think anybody ever wants to use. Sorry, Stan. Somebody put your bottle of glass cleaner inside my bus. We brought it home accidentally. I owe you a bottle of glass cleaner. Hey Sage, found a present for you. I think this is the reverse solenoid you need. I didn't even know it was in the bus. Yep, matches the one. Just in case you hadn't had enough mauve, we have extra. So I spent a few days tinkering with the bus, mostly housekeeping. I was surprised to find so many goodies hiding inside. We can finally start planning our layout. In our next video, I start to take apart and repair some windows and also have a closer look at the charging system. Stay tuned. As always, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time.